Good afternoon. Today we're going to look at some additional issues relating to the AQUAS water heater, and in particular some issues relating to the function of the on-off switch. And again, for the purposes of this video, we're going to assume that the on-off switch is faulty, and I'm going to demonstrate in this video how easy it is to replace this particular part. So again, before we start, for total safety, let's cut the electric supply to the water heater. Firstly, so then let's remove the cover. And here we can see the on-off button. And again, we just have to be a little bit careful because there's two live wires connecting this on-off switch. In order to move this particular part, you simply push upwards and pull out the on-off switch. And then what's good to have handy is a pair of these nose kind of pliers. And again, we just need to disconnect this live wire, and again, then it's easy to replace this particular part. So again, we've got a new part here. So here we've got the new part. Now, in order to make sure that we put it in the right way around, we need to make sure that the electrical connection is at the front. So what we should do is reconnect the wires first. Okay. And one additional point, just for absolute maximum safety when we're replacing wires, is we should just give this a quick nip to make sure that the wire connection is tight. Otherwise, any kind of loose connection can cause some overheating. So again, now that we've got the wires back securely, we can push this on-off button back into position. And now the on-off button is replaced. So we can replace the cover. And we can retest the on-off button to make sure it's working okay. So I hope that helps. So if you encounter any further problems, do check out some of our additional fault diagnosis and repair videos at www.aquashower.co.uk.